Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to my channel. This channel is all about unboxings and reviews, and whenever I have coupon codes, I make sure to leave them in the comment section below so that you guys can look into these brands as well. We're going to be unboxing a subscription box called Confetti Collection. They're a subscription box filled with stationery. I'm so excited about this box. They're a rather new company. They only have a few hundred followers on Instagram at the moment, but I saw one of their ads, I think, or somebody tagged them. I don't remember, but I found out about them on Instagram and I just really wanted to try it because I love stationery. All right, let's have a look. This box is pretty big for a stationery box. It's really cute. It's printed in this like adorable black and white print, and it has their logo on the front. All right, let's take a look. And this is what it looks like when you first open the box. All right, there's nothing here. Ooh, everything is nicely wrapped. So there's a layer of bubble wrap here. I think this might be their second box. This is the June 2019 box. Ooh, look at that. This will make a great gift if you wanted to send it to somebody as a present. I love how everything is nicely packaged. Whoa. Oh my gosh. All of your stationery comes packed in this tissue paper here, and it looks like I got a mug. And because the mug is so big, the box had to match the width of the mug, and that's why this is so big. Like, they could have cut down on the size of this because everything else in here is just shredded paper. Like, so much of it. You can use this to fill up an Easter basket. I'm definitely gonna keep this and reuse it, but that's kind of a lot of waste. All right. Anyways, all right, so I guess we'll start with the cup. It feels a little bit light, so I don't think this is a ceramic cup. It might be is it a metal cup? It is a metal cup. Interesting. I think they have a theme for every month, and the theme for this month is Note to Self. All right, so this is a cup. Ooh, this is kind of cute. This is a Enamel Mug, and it's by C.R. Gibson. This is kind of cute. Not microwave safe. Okay, so why do you want to use this kind of cup? What's the perk of having an enamel cup? I don't know. I have a lot of cups already, and I feel like if you put something hot in here, this entire cup will get hot, so maybe I'll use it for pens and stuff. But I like the pattern and I like the size of this cup, so. All right, cute. So let's move on to the stationery here. There's a Confetti Collection sticker at the front, and let's open it up. Ooh, okay, so this is everything that we got. Oh, I guess I should have opened this first. It says, ooh, so everything is wrapped in plastic. They just kind of wanted to make sure everything stays in place, I guess, although I don't really think that layer is really necessary. Anyways, I comment a lot about excess packaging on this channel. Like if there's too much plastic or too much packaging, I always complain about it. Oh my God. All right. Okay. So surprise, Note to Self box. Are you excited? Because we are. We've put together a box full of cute and clever surprises just for you. Note to self, get creative. Thank you. Share your pics using the hashtag Confetti Collection box. Let's open up the bag here. Maybe it's easier for them to pack the box. That's why they probably pre-pack everything like this, throw it in here along with the cup and ship it. The first item that we got looks like Post-it notes. Oh, these are taped together. Oh, okay. This is by X&O Paper Goods, and it looks like it's a butterfly-shaped notepad, as well as some, I think these are, I used this like foam sticker thing, and it's like so hard to take off. So I think these are like Post-it notes, like butterfly-shaped Post-it notes. Oh, whoa, okay, well the first one kind of ripped apart. What is this? Okay, so they're, what would you use these for? I guess these would be good for gifting. Index sticky notes. Oh, so do you, oh, okay, so this is a butterfly, right? So, and the sticky part is down the center of this note. So I think you can like stick these on gift bags and stuff. That'd be cute. Or let's say that you have a notebook and that you want to bookmark a page. You can like wrap it around the page and then fold it this way. I guess that's what, oops, sorry. I guess that's what it's for. No, it doesn't really stay on. I don't know, like it feels a little bit cheap. You know how Post-it notes have that certain amount of tack on their cards? Sometimes when things are made in China and they're like trying to copy that style, like you can just feel that it's not that sticky. if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, these have pretty low tack, so I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'll be using these for. It's kind of small to be writing notes on these and sticking it, but maybe I'll check out their Instagram page and see how they're using that. Okay, and then the next item is just, I mean, this is the butterfly theme notepad here. I think this is just, oh, it looks like it comes in different colors. So super cute list pad, 75 sheets. All right, let's open it up. And I noticed that there, what? Oh, okay, so it's tacked on here. So it's like that. It looks like there's 4 different colors. So it looks like there's green, blue, this coral color, and then a lighter pink color. So you can just write your notes on here and tear it off. These aren't sticky here. It's just, they're just like notes. Yeah, I don't know about the quality of this company. Like, you can see like there's some glue marks here. All right, next item we got is a Color Me notepad, and it's in this like tall horizontal shape. It's just a spiral bound notebook that's shaped in like a to-do list kind of thing, so you can write notes to yourself and tear it up and, I don't know, put it on your fridge or take it with you if you're making a shopping trip list. And I guess you can color these flowers here. That's why it says Color Me notepad. But it looks like all of the flowers are in the same pattern. It doesn't change, so I guess you can change up the colors when you color it. All right, so that's that. Next item we got is a pack of napkins that match this cup. So I guess if you're having a tea party to yourself, you can use these napkins in this cup. All right, and this is also by C.R. Gibson. Next up, we have some gifting things. We have 6 bows and a packet of this, what is this called? Curling ribbon. And this is 66 feet of pink curly ribbon. So this is good for gift wrapping. Next up is a notebook, another notebook. Oh, I guess it's magnetic. Let's see. Oh, it lists. So when you open it, you have like a bullet journal style list, and you can just write notes to yourself and check it off as you finish and tear it apart. And the last item that we got is a gift bag. This bag is cute. I like this bag. I like gold foil prints and I like floral prints, so this gift bag is really cute. So they included this bag along with ribbons and bows, except that the pink doesn't match. Like, this is a very like baby pink, and this is more of a blush type of pink, so I don't see how you can use this and this at the same time. All right, well, that was everything that we got in this box. I'm just going to do a quick recap here. We got a mug with matching napkins, and then we got some stuff for gift wrapping here. We got a Color Me Note to Self notebook, butterfly themed notepad and stickies, and then a list notebook. So we've got a very pink theme here. I mean, I don't know, I'm not that blown away by this box. Like, I feel like some of these stuff you can find at Michael's, because the quality kind of mirrors stuff that you find at Michael's. Sometimes they have like notebooks on sale, and I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, but like the quality of the print and the paper and stuff, you can just tell that it's pretty cheap. I don't think this box is worth $30, to be honest. I don't really need these. This bag I will probably use. This one, I don't know if I'm going to be using these. It's like a very pink color, but we'll see. This cup, I do like this cup. Napkins, like, I guess they're nice, but I wouldn't have bought these on my own. And then these, yeah, these feel cheap as well. They feel like something that you can buy at the dollar store. I'm sorry, but that's just the way I feel about it. Like, they're really cheaply made. But anyways, I wanted to try this box because I love stationery boxes, and there are a couple of other boxes out there with stationery, but they were a little bit on a pricier end. Maybe that's why this box only cost $24.99. You get what you pay for, right? But I don't know. I don't think everything was worth $25. Like, if you bought these things separately, then yes, it probably would have been more than $25. But I don't know if, like, if I saw this at a store, I'd be like, I don't think I need it. Same with like this list pad. Oh, you know what? This actually will be good for work because I like to list out the things that I have to do that day. So I'll just use that for that. I guess the theme for this month is note to self, so that's why they gave you all these notes and stuff. But I would have, like, instead of giving me like this, they could have thrown in a pen or something, you know, right? Because it's note to self. What am I going to do with all this paper products with no pen? All right, so I honestly had high expectations for this box, and I actually had to snooze their Instagram page because I didn't want to see spoilers. I wanted to be surprised by this box, and I'm not that surprised by this box. I probably won't be ordering again. They are a new company, so gotta give them a little bit of breathing space. If they have better items in the future, I might place another order, but to be honest, like, the quality of the items just are not that great. Again, they're things that I can find easily at Michael's, and I can choose my own things and put together my own box. But I did want to order it for this video. I was curious about the company. Now that I know what they're like, I probably won't be placing another order. I'm sorry. I don't like it. I don't know what to say when I don't like things. I don't want to pretend like I like them. I unbox everything in front of the camera, so any reactions that I get are sincere. I try not to be so negative, and I don't want to, like, put down companies or anything, but this is just my personal preference, and honestly I wasn't very impressed with this box. So that's that. So that was unboxing Confetti Collection. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you also got the June box and you got different items, let me know what you thought of them. I'm curious to see if they send out different boxes for different subscribers. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, so make sure to find me there as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe!